Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we'll try to answer additional mathematics exam question. Right. So we have been given these two equations and they want us to find the range. Okay. So how do we find the range over the value of k? The range over the value of k. So what we do here, we equate. The way it is, y is equal to kx minus 2, we replace. So what is right here, we'll put this stuff right where y is. So it will look like this, x squared minus 4kx minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. So the next thing here will just be to distribute. We get rid of the brackets. So we'll get this stuff right here. So here we can arrange or solve according to like terms. So we have a quadratic equation right here. So now how do we find the value of k? We're going to use what we call discriminant. So it's right here. In the question, they have said uh, for each the line y is equal to kx minus 2 does not meet the curve. So if they say does not meet the curve, meaning it's supposed to be less than 0. The discriminant is less than 0. So this, you just get what is inside the quadratic formula, okay? You just get that stuff inside the quadratic formula. All right, so right now I can pick, okay? So I'll say this is my A, my B, and my C, okay? So I can plug them. What is my B is 4, negative 4x. So you write, my A is a 1, C is a 9, less than 0. So now you work out things. You have a 16k squared minus 36 is less than 0. When you multiply everything here, you get a 36. So now here we can solve for k. Okay, so this is how it will look like. So we divide by 16, divide by 16. Actually here is k squared. So we have, let me take it this way. We've got k squared is less than 36 over 16. So to solve for k, we can square both sides or we square root both sides. So we get two solutions. So we have a 6 over 4. Find the square root of 36, 6 of 16, it's 4. So we can reduce our values here. We get a 3 over 2. We know a 2 can go here and here. So this is what we have. Now we need to find the range. Remember, they said the range. So to find the range, we do this. We do what we call testing. So we know we've got k is equal to 3, or k is less than 3 over 2, or k is less than negative 3 over 2. So here we write something like that, okay? And here we write this, because there are two solutions. So now we want to find here, we can use any number between this and this. So what number is here between these two? If you want, you can use a 0 right here, a 0 for testing. We are using this 0 for testing, and the number that is after this, you can pick any, or 100, any number. So pick a smaller number. A 2 is bigger than this. Immediately after this, there is a 2. There are these other numbers, yeah, just like that. Here I can pick a negative 2. So you see, and now this is testing. I want to test where this is accepting. So I'll get this 0, okay? First I'll start with a negative 2. Go back here, right here. Let me put an arrow to show you what I'm doing right here. So I'm going to put negative 2 where k is and solve if this will accept. So I'll say if I put negative 2 here, I have a 16 times a 4, because negative 2 squared is 4 minus 36. Is it going to be less than 0? So when I solve, what am I getting when I say 16 times 4? What am I getting? I'm getting a 64. So 64 minus 32 minus 36 is less than 0. It's giving me, when I subtract 36, what am I getting? Minus 36, I'm getting a 28. Is 28 less than 0? No. So this part, no, it's not accepting. Again, we can test. So remember to be very careful when testing. So I'll get a 0. I'll put a 0 here. So I have a 16 times a 0 squared minus 36. Is it less than 0? This will just give me a 0. 36 is less than 0. This one will accept. So I'll say yes. Here it's accepting. It's accepting. If I try this, I put a 2 here, however, I'll still get 64 minus 36, less than 0. When now I work out, I'll get a 28 is less than 0, which is not true. So it's true right here and here. Okay, so this is the region where the range is. So now I can write. So to write the range, I'll say K is less than negative, it's greater. K is greater because here it's greater, it's going to the greater. It's greater than negative 3 over 2. Again, for this one, I'll say K is less than 3 over 2 here. For this one, less this way. This one is going that way. So now to put up my range so that it can look clean, I have these two solutions. If you want, you can just leave them like this. But if you don't mind, you can say negative 3 over 2 is less, because here we said it's less than K. It's less than K. And K is less than 2 over 3. So this is the solution, and it's a range. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe. And to those doing additional mathematics, those who will be writing their exams in additional mathematics, we have tuitions for you guys. We are inviting you to join our online tuitions in additional mathematics. Join and learn more and more.